Hi everyone, welcome to MaxLaser's YouTube channel. In the next few videos, I'm going to chat with you about the Bensai B2 Lite inkjet handheld printer. I'm excited to share what you can expect when you purchase a B2 Lite printer. Let's begin. To begin with, it comes with a durable carrying case designed for protection. Inside, you'll discover all the goodies that enhances the printer's capabilities. The first item we have is the photoelectronic sensor. This component makes everything fully automated. If you want to get your printer fully automated and are tired of the handheld mode, you can just contact us and we will set up a conveyor belt and a bracket stand for full automated printing. For a little extra flair, you get a branded sticker. You can stick it on your machine to show off your purchase, or if you're a super fan, why not stick it on the back of your car? Next, there is a manual included that provides step-by-step guidance on how to use the B2 Lite printer. Then you'll also receive a mounted bracket, which you can mount on any table that you want. This is especially useful for printing on curved surfaces like bottles or mugs, depending on the product that you print on. Additionally, you'll notice the compact attachment that clips onto the front of the printer that enables the printer to print on uneven surfaces. This feature is very beneficial for material like crinkly plastic or rough wood or textured metal. You'll also receive a charger to keep your handheld printer powered up. Along with an ink cartridge included with your B2 Lite purchase. For instance, this one is black. And finally, you have the B2 itself. Super easy to use. You've got your top gray button to open your cartridge flap, and then you've got your power button to switch it on. This is also the touchscreen that you can use to work directly from your handheld printer. And this is a quick look at the exciting bundle that comes with the B2 Lite printer. In our next video, we'll dive into how to insert the cartridge correctly. See you soon!